and welcome to my new vlogs. For this vlog, I just want to show you my background over there. So this background, my dear friends, this is an activity here in Como where I am right now. So this one is outdoor activity. We have a Zumba, we have also karate, we have a tennis, we have a football, and we have a yoga. So yeah, we have a yoga and football also, and we have everything here of the background of this one. So this is the one posted or post here in the park where we are. So I love Zumba for all the activities putting here like a sport. I love Zumba. Yeah, I love Zumba, and there's also a dance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.